Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this product and to talk about this new makeup brand. So this is Merit and it's a clean, vegan, cruelty-free makeup brand that is all about like minimalizing your routine, simplifying your routine, making it easy and quick. They have their well-edited essentials that contribute to the 5-minute morning routine, and I'm so grateful that Merit sent me all of the products that go into that 5-minute morning routine. And so I'm going to be trying them out on my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So look forward to those future products. But today I'm trying out the Flush Balm, and it's a cheek color. It retails for $28 and it comes in 5 different shades. The shade that I have here is called Terracotta, and it's a universal tint that melts into your skin for lit from within color. So it's minimalist beauty and I'm just so excited about it. So my disclaimers are that this was sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I do have an affiliate link that I'll have linked in the description down below if you are interested in trying out any of these products. So let's get into it. I can't wait to try out my first Merit product. So the packaging I feel like is so cute. It seems luxurious from the box packaging, the product packaging with the dark matte gray. And I'm so excited to feel the texture of this. Let's start out with a swatch. Oh, yes, it's such a creamy balm. Ooh, beautiful. So it really is just a easy tint of color. It looks like it might be pretty pigmented and kind of an intimidating shade for me, but when I swatched it, that's actually exactly what I love in a blush. I love when it's more of a tan, sun-kissed blush. That's just been what I have found flatters my skin the most, and I love having that kind of beachy look to the skin. And I really love this texture. It's got a little bit of shine, very creamy, seems easy to apply. And so sticking with the kind of minimalist beauty look that Merit really goes for, I didn't do a full face of foundation. I just tried to keep my skin as bare as possible, but I did go in with some concealer and some powder. But my cheeks here is just my skin without foundation and makeup on them, and I really wanted to see how this really looks on bare skin. So I just picked some up on my finger here, and let's see how it looks. Very quick and easy to blend out. Very light wash of color that you can see with it versus without it. So I'm gonna go ahead and layer up some more. But what I really like about this shade is you can see I have natural redness in my cheeks, but this shade is different than my natural redness. It's more bronzy, sun-kissed. So I don't really like when blushes look like the redness in my cheeks, because I love a flushed cheek, but I don't want it to look just like my natural pink redness in my skin. It's just like inflamed, you know? I'd rather it look like a sun-kissed flush of color. So I'm loving this shade. And so there's a second layer. And I really like how that looks. I could probably stop here, but I always just love to apply a lot of blush. So picking up a little bit more, let's go ahead and just layer it up. And I do love how buildable it is and how smooth skin-like it looks. Like it doesn't leave any product texture except for smooth, a little bit shiny and glowy, moisturized skin look. Wow, I really love that. Like that just enhanced my skin so much with it versus without it, from the flush of color to the sheen and glow that it gave my skin. Wow. And I feel like it lifted the cheek as well. Like such a transformation without it, with it. Oh my goodness. I am so glad that this is the shade that I chose. Well, since I know that I like to layer it up, I'm actually gonna go ahead and on this cheek, I'm just gonna apply it directly. I love a blush product that I can't go overboard with, because that definitely tends to be a problem for me when I'm applying blush. I use such a heavy hand, and I love when it's just like this. It's like the perfect flush of color. No matter how much I apply, I can layer it up and it continues to look great. I can just do a little bit and it looks nice. I love actually how that came out with just swiping it directly from the applicator. I think that is a perfect flush. I'm gonna also go ahead and just take it over the nose a little bit because I like to connect my blush. So I'm just gonna blend this over the nose, make it look very naturally sun-kissed. Oh, beautiful. And that is seriously so quick and easy. And I don't even feel like I need a bronzer with this blush either, because it gives such life to my skin and my cheeks. Gosh, and you can get right up close and the skin looks so good. It's not emphasizing any texture. It's not emphasizing my large pores. Looks so smooth. It doesn't even look like I'm wearing a blush texture-wise. So I love this. Wow. Well, I am so impressed and excited about my first Merit product. I can't wait to try out the rest of them. Definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out this product or any of the other Merit products and what your thoughts are on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.